Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to speed up a video in CapCut. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your PC or Mac. Click New Project to get started. Now click Import and choose a video file from your computer. Drag and drop the video onto the editing timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. In the right-hand panel, find and click the Speed tab. Use the Times slider to change the speed. Move the slider to the left to slow down and move it to the right to speed up the video. You'll see the playback time adjust automatically based on your setting. It is great for time lapses, slow motion or syncing clips with music. Desktop view makes it easier to fine-tune every frame with more control than mobile. And that's it, you've now changed the speed of your video using CapCut Desktop. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.